What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to link your Shopify store to your TikTok business shop. So let's get right to it. Doing so will allow you to hugely increase your sales because TikTok of course has a huge user base, and doing so will allow you to add your products to your TikTok shop. So adding your Shopify products to your TikTok shop of course benefits you by having greater audience, and many people will look at your products, or larger audience will look at your products, which will increase your sales. So your customers will be able, or your followers on TikTok, or people on TikTok will be able to view your products and purchase them when they are on TikTok, which is a great opportunity for you. So I'll show you how to connect Shopify store to your TikTok business account in the easiest and most straightforward way possible. And as I told you, by doing this, you will benefit more for your business by increasing your sales and making more profit. First of all, if you have a TikTok shop, linking it to your Shopify store can hugely increase your sales of your products. And to do so, we need to install the TikTok app on our Shopify store. And to do so, let's go to apps here. And then in the search bar, type in TikTok. Okay, hit enter. And now click on TikTok. And it'll load up the app page itself. And now you want to make sure that you allow it to access and click on finish setup. And it will appear here, the TikTok dashboard will appear. Now, if you don't find TikTok by default in the search bar, or the app itself doesn't load, I'll show you. Let's duplicate this tab and I'll show you how to get to it. Now, in this page, let's go to home screen once again, go to apps, and then now go to all recommended apps. It'll open up here some recommended apps. Go to Shopify App Store. And here in the App Store, you want to search for TikTok. Click hit enter. And here you want to go to this one right here, the TikTok, and make sure it's free to install. The one that it's free to install. And as you can see, it's installed since we already installed it. If you click on it, you want to make sure that this is the official one provided by TikTok Inc. Now, since we installed the app, let's close this other window and this other page. And now you want to set up the TikTok channel overview. Click on setup now. And now you need, of course, to have I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that you need a TikTok business account for this to work. Now you can connect your TikTok for business account or create a new one if you don't already have one. So I'll click on connect here, and you need to sign in to your TikTok for business, or just log in with TikTok. It'll open up a new pop-up here to authorize the connection with TikTok. And here, let's say it'll ask you to switch it to TikTok business. This is like a test account that I created for some videos I was doing earlier. Let's continue and make sure to have read the information and read access to all and agree to all these, and click on continue. And now it'll load up here, and it'll ask you to create a business account. And now I'm accepting the business privacy policy. However, I don't want to subscribe to email news. And now confirm to link it for business account, to link my current account for business account. And now it'll ask me if I want to connect it to Shopify. Okay, connect, and make sure the username is correct. And the next step is to set up marketing. I already set up TikTok for business, and now I need to allow Shopify to create an account to use TikTok business to access your product catalog on my Shopify. Okay, click on create. And it's already done. And now I need to create a new TikTok Ads Manager account. And to do so, click on create new. And for this, I need to add my some information. It detects that my country is Egypt, the currency is Egyptian pound, and the business name, that is my Shopify store page. And I need to add a phone number and an industry. So here I need to click on confirming and read and understood the TikTok ads program terms and conditions. If I try to click on sign up and connect, of course, it doesn't let me because I need to provide a phone number. So I'll just enter my phone number pretty quickly right here and then continue the sign up process. Okay, and now it says we are unable to create your account. So some mistake might have happened here. So let's try to change the industry. Let's say I'm in the sports and entertainment industry. Okay, fitness. And let's try once again. Okay, and the error still occurs here. Let's close this pop-up and try once again. And now if I might show you here, let's change my country, for example, to United States. Okay, US dollars. And add a phone number here and then try once again. Okay, the industry, let's say sports and entertainment, fitness, and I agree to terms and conditions. Click on sign up and continue. Okay, the error pops up once again, so you might want to try it. Make sure you enter your right information, and if this occurs, just wait for like a couple of hours and then try again. It might be something wrong with TikTok. Now, I'll show you these steps pretty quickly. Now, you need to create this ads account, and now agree to data sharing and add your company information and finish the setup process. And once you do so, you've connected successfully your Shopify store to your TikTok business account, and that will allow you to showcase your products, your Shopify products, on your TikTok account or on your TikTok like store to be able to increase your sales. So your customers on TikTok, of course, TikTok has a huge base of users, and you can benefit from that to increase your sales on Shopify. Once a viewer or a person on TikTok views your product or your shop, your store on TikTok shop, and he clicks on your product, he can buy it directly from TikTok, and you will benefit from enlarging your customer database. So that was pretty much it. That's how easy it is to set up your or connect your TikTok shop to your Shopify store to increase your sales.